Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa. Today is December 31st. I really want to do my makeup and do like a little photo shoot to post tomorrow for New Year's. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me. Plus, I'm also going to take you guys with me to my little photo shoot that I do by myself. So this is the hairstyle that I am going for today's look. If you want to know how I got my butterfly locks, I actually did a tutorial. Definitely check out that tutorial. So with my butterfly locks, I decided to do a half up, half down. I literally just used a black scrunchie that I bought at CVS. I bought like a whole pack at CVS for like $6 and something. So that's basically what I did to like hold up my hair. So I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup Pore Filler Primer Base. I'm using this much. So for today's look, I really want to do a red eyeshadow look with like a nude lip. I don't think I've ever done red eyeshadow before. So that's the look that I am going for today. I want to make it look very like sexy and dramatic. Okay, no, it's gonna be 2021. I think 21 is a very sexy number. Also, I'm turning 21 in about 6 months. Yeah, oh my gosh! In 6 months, I'll be 21. So, so I want to enter the new year looking my very best. I honestly don't even know if this primer makes a difference on my face. I think this is my third time using it. I really don't know if it makes a difference, but I bought it, so I'm gonna use it. I'm not just gonna like waste it like that. But yeah, I have been trying to figure out like what I'm going to do for my 21st birthday. Most likely I'll probably be taking summer classes, but usually my birthday is doing intermission between summer A and summer B. I will most likely be on break during my birthday, which is great. Love it. I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD High Definition in the color orange. So I actually just started doing color correcting. I don't really know if it makes a big difference. I mean, I think it makes a little bit of a difference. I'm using orange to cancel out the darkness underneath my eyes and also like above my lips. It's a little bit dark over here. Don't look sexy? And I'm just using my beauty blender. Okay, I am now using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder. This is how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Fenty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation in the color 380, and then I'll be mixing it with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation in the color 5W1 Bronze. Alright, so I did my brows off camera. I had used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown, and I had used their pencil, which is the, oh, it's erased. I don't know which pencil this is. I think this is pencil 12 from Anastasia. And then I had concealed my brows using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Corrector Concealer. Now it is time to do the eyes. I'm just concealing my under eye just to have like a smooth, even base before I do my eyeshadow. I set the concealer with the NYX Photogenic Powder. Alright, so I have put a black jacket over my white top because I'm going to be using pigmented shadows and I do not want to ruin this top. So I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, and I'll be using the color Mary on my upper crease area. So back to my birthday. So yeah, I've been trying to decide what I'm going to do for my 21st birthday because I feel like after my 21st birthday, the next milestone birthday is my 30th birthday. So I really want to like go all out for my 21st birthday. I don't know if COVID will still be a thing by the time it is June of 2021. I really hope that it's not a thing. I already had a quarantine 20th birthday. I do not want to have another quarantine 21st birthday. So hopefully everything is under control by the time it is June. Like, we have 6 months. We have 6 months to get this under control, guys. 6 months. So I think we can do it. I think we can do it. I have hope. I have hope that we can do it. I just finished doing both eyes. I forgot to mention, I used a Lamora blending brush in order to put the shade Mary onto my crease, or my upper crease, whatever it's called. I will now be using this shade right here. It is called No Beans, and I'll be putting that on my crease and lower crease area. Alright, so I just finished putting in the shade, I think it's called No Beans, on my crease area, and I had used the Angle Shader Brush by Amora. I will now be using the shade Spooky, and I will concentrate that on my outer crease area, just to kind of give like a smoky effect. I finished putting Spooky on both eyes. I used No Beans above Spooky just to kind of like blend it in so that it doesn't look too harsh. So I will now be using this flat brush right here. It is the BH Cosmetics brush 102. Looks like this. And I'll be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Corrector, multi-usage concealer, whatever, to basically do my cut crease. I'm actually going to do my cut crease off camera, but I do have makeup videos where I do show the process of me doing my cut crease. So definitely check those out. But I just finished my cut crease. So once I put the concealer on my eyelid, I had then set it again with the NYX powder. So I will now be using the color You're Kidding, and I'll be using this flat brush. It's the BH Cosmetics 103. Doesn't have a name, but I'm using this flat brush right here. Finished putting the color on my lid. I'll now be using the Hard Candy Look Pro Eyeshadow Pro palette. I'll be using the color Heartbreaker, and I'll put that on top of the color that I just put, which is You're Kidding. And I'll be using the same exact brush. I'll be spraying my MAC Prep and Prime spray. I am now going to go back to No Beans, and then I'll also be going to Spooky to basically emphasize those shades. I'm going to go back to Mary and put that over my crease. Now I'm going to be adding my e.l.f. eyeliner. So, oh my gosh, my eyelashes did not match. I just finished doing my eyeliner and I added my lashes. I am wearing the Eyelure Dramatic Lashes. I also extended my inner line. It's basically the fox eye, that's what I did. And I added a little bit of gold. Now I'm just going to start concealing my under eye. I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. And I'll be using this color right here. So I just finished blending my concealer. So now I'll just be setting my concealer with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Oh my gosh, it's about to be sunset. I really want to take my pictures during golden hour, so I have to like hurry up here. Okay, I'll be now putting on my MAC powder. Now I'm just adding my highlighter. I'm using the BH Cosmetics. And I'm using this highlight shade right here. Now I'm just adding some blush. Now I'm just going to add some black eyeliner underneath my eye. I'm using this pencil eyeliner. Okay, now I'm going to use a brown eyeliner for my lips. Now I'm just using my Maybelline lipstick in the color Touch of Spice. So this is the finished look. So now I am going to go take my pictures because the sun is actually setting right now. I don't even know if I'm even going to take the pictures how I imagine it to be. I really hope that I can. So I am now going to go to my destination for where I'm going to be taking my pictures. Okay, so the place where I wanted to take my pictures is actually closed off for today. So I'm kind of upset about that. There's a little bit of sun. Y'all can see the sun, but yeah, there's a little bit of sun, and I found like a parking spot at this shopping center, and the lighting looks good here. So I'm going to try to take some cute pictures here in my car. I guess I had like a whole different vision, but this is just going to have to do. So I'm going to try to show you guys like me take my pictures in my car. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I have like a shutter I'm going to use to like, take my pictures. So the sun is going down. Okay. Dang it, I forgot my necklace and my sunglasses. Oh well. I am not liking this angle at all. You know what? Why is it not working? Oh my gosh, it's the fact that the sun is going down. Okay, so I think it's like dead. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I try to like hide the shutter while I'm taking my pictures. It is currently 80 degrees and I'm here wearing a freaking turtleneck and a freaking sweater just because I think it looks cute and it's winter season, even though like in Miami there is no such thing as winter. The sun is down, I'm sweating. It's the fact that night mode is kicking in right now. Okay, I'm done, guys. Whatever I have is what I have. Oh my gosh, there's barely any that I like. Wow. There's somebody walking around in front of me. He's looking at my window. It's just so awkward. Okay, this is a lost cause at this point. Okay, we're done. This is the best I'm going to get. The sun is down. I mean, at least I made a video out of it, you know. Okay, yeah, I'm going home. At least I tried. Alright guys, so I am back at home. This photo shoot session did not go as I planned. By the time that I got ready to take my pictures, the clouds were covering the sun, and then the sun was basically gone after that. So I just did what I could do. There's probably like 1-2 pictures that I like that I took in the car. I took some pictures with my ring light and I think they turned out pretty good. I did not record myself taking it. I'll show you guys both the car pictures and the ring light pictures. And I also filmed a TikTok video. I think it came out really cute, so definitely check that out. The link to my TikTok will be in the description box. But that is basically it for my video, guys. I just want to wish you all a happy new year and happy Independence Day to all of my Haitians. Probably this video will not be dropped January 1st, but still, like, happy belated Independence Day to all my Haitians out there. Soup du jour all day. If you put the soup in the freezer, it can last you another week. So but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want follow me on my social media pages. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for all the love and the support. Bye guys.